Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my dividend portfolio update for the week of December 9th through the 13th. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brad. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. I want you to think about subscribing. We have a big community growing. It's getting exciting and I want to keep it going. So for those of you who are new to the channel, what I do is I've been keeping track of the dividend portion of my portfolio each week and doing little updates to see where we're at. And I always start with looking at what happened in the markets this week. So here we are, we're at marketwatch.com, CBS Market Watch, and you can see that for the week we are actually up about 20 points. It started about 31.40 and we closed at 31.68. So about 20 to 25 points this week. For the year to date, we're up 26.41%. Now that's a little over exaggerated, but still pretty incredible. The 3-month we're up 5.37%, you guys, which is unbelievable. How long will it last? That's the question, right? Looking at the other markets out there, the Dow is at 28,135. The NASDAQ is at 8734. That's up 17.2%. You guys really looking good. All right, so overall the market is still on fire. It's getting expensive. Real quick at what we have, I'm going to go to my dividend page here. Talk about the dividends I received this month so far. Now this week I did receive, we'll start with my Vanguard account. From Vanguard I received 2 of my monthly REIT payers, AGNC Investment Corporation. I got $2.47 on my Realty Income, ticker symbol O. I got $2.27. And I also got a dividend check from Johnson & Johnson, and that was for $19.07. If we move on to my Ally account. So Ally has, I did buy 5 more shares of Ford this week. Other than that, I got 1 dividend from ExxonMobil, and that was for $17.40. So that account, not a lot of movement there, not a lot of action. In my M1 account, which we'll go to my M1 account, you can see the portfolio is now at 25.45, which is kind of happy. I did get 3 dividends this week from my M1 account. I got one from Walgreens for $1.88. I got one from 3M for $1.71. And I got a small one from Archer Daniels Midland for $1.17. Now remember, these dividend checks are small because this account is only about $2,500. But dividends do come, and as we grow, the dividends grow with them. This week for my M1 account, I only had 2 buys. I bought $59.78 worth of Waste Management, and I bought $40.74 of McDonald's. And now that we're back here, looks like the only thing down this week right now at all was Waste Management, and it's just down 1/3%. So I may just go back and try to buy a little bit of each one more. Everything's getting kind of expensive. If we look at my stock breakdown overall, you see that I have about 22 holdings as far as individuals. Currently, my combined dividend yield for all my dividend stocks is about 4.3%. The market value of that is $16,193, but I also do want to add in my VYM, which is currently at $5,305. So I consider that part of my dividend portfolio. Before I got into individual stock buying, I was doing dividends through VYM, which is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I also collect dividends from my VGSLX, which is the Vanguard REIT Index. But you guys don't seem to think that's part of the dividend portfolio, so I don't add that because it is a index fund. Anyway, if we take a look at my Vanguard stocks while we're in there, you'll see that AT&T is down tiny bit yesterday, and so is Clorox, but we are up green across the board. Again, this isn't a big part of my Vanguard holding. Overall, you guys, it looks like we're at about $22,000 for my dividend portfolio this week. Need to figure out the exact amount, and when I do, I will post it on the page. Anyway, you guys, I hope you got something out of this. If you're enjoying the updates, let me know in the comments. If I'm doing them too often, let me know that too. Okay, I want this to be interactive, and I want to get as much feedback as I can, you guys. If you see something as far as stocks that you think are good or bad holds, let me know that too, because I think we all benefit from learning from each other in this community, and education is paramount to good investing. So hope you guys got some of those. If you did, please give me a like. It helps the algorithm too. Smash the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please think about subscribing, and we'll see you again in a couple days. Thanks.